Welcome to Forex Academy Lesson 3, Part 2, Moving Averages. We will be discussing a derivative of the simple moving average we've discussed earlier. By combining different SMA lines, you are able to quickly analyze the current market condition. This is also a warning. Because the SMA is such a tardy instrument, its use is mainly limited to analysis. So don't expect it to give you any clear signals of when to enter the market. What it can show you is most of all the strength of any current trend. If you're a serious trader, it pays to know whether your market is either trending or ranging. In a nutshell, a trending market tends to either go up for a long time or go down for an extended period of time. Whereas a ranging market usually displays much more sideways action. It may not always be as clear as these examples though. Moreover, the current strength of a trending market is hard to gauge. Thankfully, the technical guys have developed some pretty neat methods of gauging this. The 3 SMA method combines 3 different SMAs to show us the strength of any trend, or lack thereof. The main thing is to measure the price development in the short, intermediate and long term. In this first example, we've used a 3-period, 20-period and 60-period SMA to show us the strength of the trend. When the short-term line is above the intermediate one, and the intermediate one in turn is above the long-term line, we call this uptrend. Prices are generally rising, and the more lines appear to diverge, the stronger the price movement is. When, however, the short-term line is below the intermediate one, and that one in turn is below the long-term line, we're in downtrend. Pretty straightforward, huh? Now, what about this situation? Sure, the intermediate line is above the long-term line, but hold on, it seems that the short-term line is creeping below the intermediate one. What's up with that? Well, if you're a trend trader, you had best stay out. This market is making up its mind, and you might get hurt bad if you were to speculate on any further uptrend. Then again, you might not. But this also shows us that while we may think the 3 SMA tells us that we're in an uptrend, this is still a laggy instrument. The market might decide to reverse, and the SMAs will only tell us about it a few periods after it happens. Feel free to check out the article section on forexacademy101.com for more articles on SMA.